Hello everyone, I thought I'd do something a little bit different today, and I'm going to have a go at making some hair clips. I've not done this before, it could go horribly wrong. Now I've been out and bought myself a glue gun. I thought this was really good actually. It was $7.99 and it's got the stand and it came with two mini glue sticks. So that was $7.99. I used to have one, I only used it once, and then because I didn't use it, I'm not quite sure what I've done. I'm not quite sure what I did with it. So I also picked up some mini glue sticks, just for £1. Just a couple of hair clips. There's 100 here. Well, you may want to have a go. As you know, I've got a website that I'll link below for you, but in case you want to have a go at making some, I've got some unicorns. And I'm going to use, oh, and I've also got cats. And I'm going to practice on these because they're not the best. If it goes wrong, no problem. I can give these to my great niece. So we've got two large sparkly unicorns, and we have these cute little pussycat, oops, we have these cute little cats. So sweet with the bows. We have these, I bought packs of these. I wish I had gone up another size. These are 15 millimeters, 1.5 centimeters. Okay for the cat, but I could have done with a neck size up, which I think was 20 or 25 for the larger ones. Again, bear with me, I haven't made hair clips before. Just got some snips. I do have some scissors behind me and some card if we get that far. These clips are 50 millimeters, 5 centimeters. They do come in different sizes, but I thought I would go for the 5. Okay, so we take a hair clip. Well, I think if we put it like that, and then you take one of these on the back. See why I wanted something a little bit bigger. But this is my first time doing this. You know, we've got to learn as we go along. They'll be ideal for the cat ones. I still got, I've washed my hands and sanitized my hand, but I do still have my cold lingering. That's what. Let's do it there. Right, let's take this glue gun. Glue. Oh, is it coming out? Oh, crap. Ooh, I think that might be a bit too much, but like we say, we are learning. Now it is that way, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to take one of these. Let's get some of that off. We'll see how that dries. Oh gosh, look. Right, let's have a go with this one. Right, where do we want this to be? Right, don't be so heavy-handed this time, Claire, with the glue. I watched people do this and it was so effortlessly. They didn't have to do all this getting the strands of glue. Okay, right, there's that one. That's hot. And then let's take a pink one. A little bit on the end. Let's see how that goes. Let's let that dry over there. Is that normal to have all these strands coming off? Gosh, they get everywhere. They get everywhere. Is that normal? Is that normal? Let's do, I think this is so sweet. Look. I didn't realise they were so small, but it's absolutely fine. I think I'm going to do this one that way. Yeah. Ow. Okay, that's gonna. Yeah, what I did earlier, I'll do it again. I took one of these, and where you've got your clip, say you're going to put it on there. Let's say you put it on there. There's, you know, the gap here, the gap there and there. I cut through. So let's just put this one on here, and I'll show you. I snip that bit, I snip that bit, push that in, and then I cut off that little piece in the middle. Should leave two pointy bits, if I've done it right. There we go. Snip that off. It makes it look a bit neater. I've got some daisies downstairs I could use. Oh. Alright, oh, it goes everywhere. Right, there's that one. Let's put it over there. Do 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 do. What's that like? You know, if anyone that makes hair clips is watching this, please, I'm no expert. I'm not selling these either. These will be going to my great niece. Oh, let's move that. That's a bit annoying. Let's try and get in there. I don't want to do it too much, because I don't want it to go everywhere. I have to do this to collect it. Oh gosh. They go everywhere, the strands. Perhaps that's normal. I just don't remember watching videos and seeing people doing all this. So while that's drying, what I thought I could do, let me just I know it's not the best, but I think they do something like that. I know obviously it's not thick enough. Or I guess you could make a slit in the card and put it through. It's not that bad. That's fine. That's fine. Let's put one on this one. Let's do the same again. I could have practiced this beforehand, but I'm trying to teach myself. We all have to start somewhere, don't we? And we all have to start somewhere. Can I just thank everyone for helping me get my watch hours up? I'm at 3,500 as of today, but with YouTube they're always about 5 days behind. So thank you so much. I would have thanked you all sooner, but I've just been feeling sorry for myself with a cough and a cold. I just haven't been recording myself because I haven't been able to. I've lost my voice. You'd be pleased to hear. You might be pleased to hear. That's not that bad for just a first attempt, is it? Have you made hair clips before? Can you give me some pointers? Let me know in the comments below. I hope my little great niece Millie will like those. So if you do like this video and you like to craft, I do have lots of tutorials available. Admittedly, lots of them are jewelry making. I do some other crafts from time to time. I also share days out, selling tips, selling on Etsy, Shopify, blah de blah de blah. So if that appeals to you, please like and subscribe. And if you've got this far, thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.